kids. Today I draw a very easy drawing for you. This is the drawing of speaker. First of all, draw a box. Draw the lines with scale. Using the scale makes the lines perfect. Well, it's very amazing and beautiful. Looks, it's a perfect square. Now draw the another line with scale. Don't forget to draw the handle of the speaker. It's very important part of the drawing. It looks so beautiful. Handle makes the speaker so beautiful. You know the speaker has buttons, so draw the buttons of the speaker. Draw the 3 buttons. Draw the dots in the dots of the speaker. Draw this very carefully. Draw the dots in a sequence. Otherwise, it looks not beautiful. It looks so amazing that you know the speaker has eyes. So, draw the eyes of the speaker. Making the eyes is so easy. It's very easy drawing. Draw the little hearts. Hearts make the speaker so beautiful. I like to draw the ears. Let's outline the speaker. Doing the outline make the drawing so beautiful. See, it looks so amazing. Do you like coloring? I like coloring. So let's coloring in the speaker. My favorite color is pink. Let's use the pink color in the speaker. Pink color looks so beautiful. Do you like this pink color? I also like blue color. Let's use the blue color. It looks so good and beautiful. I enjoyed this a lot.